Hi. Okay, so we are going horse riding. We're gonna see horse riding and we're gonna be grooming, stuff like that. So let's go.
Alishba, come forward. Come here. No.
Yay!
Oh yeah, Daddy. Do you know near Mum and Mum's Eiffel unit? They've got horses there. I pet everyone there.
Yeah.
That's what horses live on. This is hay, dried grass. Now I'm going to give you a brush each and show you how to brush ponies, yeah?
This one has so much hair. Oh, I feel
I can come away. Look at me.
I'm gonna do this.
Yeah, put your hand. That's it. Put the thumb on the outside. That's it. Now,
Yeah,
this
so
one
much
there.
hair.
Hold that. This one.
That
Blue
one.
one. That one. Okay. Red one. Now, you brush. It thinks that you've got food. You don't go and tease like a dog. You wouldn't go to a dog and say, here you are, here's something, and there's nothing in your hand. So what you do, you brush the way the hair goes, okay? You stand at the sides. Horses have got two blind spots, one directly in front of their face, one directly behind their tail, okay? So, my horse is very, very good. They won't bite, they won't kick, they won't do anything. But not all horses are like mine. So when you brush from the head like that, the way the hair goes. Now they're molting, which means their summer coat's coming out, because the nights have got colder, they now think, oh, it's cold, yeah? So now, you've got to, they're losing their coat. Any of the horse's hairs that stick to your clothes, you can take home with you.
Brush it.
You can brush the tail, the mane, come round to the side, that's it. Okay, the only thing he's likely to do, if he twitches, it's because he's got a fly on him, so he might move. So just watch where his feet go, okay? Because he's got shoes on, he can't tell where your foot is. So you need to coat.
Oh.
So the summer coat's falling out for the winter coat to grow. That's it.
But why does he have shoes?
I know because I was.
Has shoes because if he was wearing no shoes and he goes on the road, the ground acts like a big nail.
Me too. Look how much hair.
That's called molting.
Are we gonna ride?
Yeah. Remember, do not go behind it. Don't go behind it.
Okay, don't kick.
Why he doesn't kick?
His tail because he's itchy with a thumb.
That's what I'm doing.
Daddy, Mommy, look.
Oh yes, well look how much hair's coming off. Look on your clothes there, yeah.
It's okay.
I'm gonna brush
This one's going to pull the carriage.
Look at his teeth.
Yeah, big teeth.
What carriage is he? What carriage is he gonna
He's going to pull the carriage with disabled people on.
Ah.
He's a ride and drive, this one.
Look at that big hair.
Imani, I'm gonna send this to your YouTube.
Fine. He's the other one that pulls the carriage.
This one does. This one does. These hairs are.
That's swishing the tail. He's not going to do anything. It's the flies. She's quivering. It's the flies.
Yeah.
What about the other horse? Mummy, can you tell me how to do this hair?
Just
This hair, look, if you go down.
Hello. What's your name?
Look at that one. Like he's cute. Wasn't I, Mama? I wasn't scared.
No.
Oh. That horsey. Over the horsey so cute. Are we gonna ride it, Mama?
Be riding one, yeah.
Which one do you want to ride? I think.
I wanna ride.
I'm riding Chester.
I'm riding Chester. Tax.
What's the matter?
Don't tease him.
Don't do that. It'll bite. You know it'll bite.
Maybe he.
Bit.
Look, because the hair.
Nope.
Wow.
They're flat.
Because the hair's going that way, you brush that way. Yeah, look. Can you see the hair's all that way because I brushed it?
This horse
And
is
can you
in-
see the hair's going this way, you have to brush this way. So you can see all that. I brushed all of it to make it go the same way.
So what do you do to this bit?
That was already there. I promise that was already there. So what you do is you have to try and brush it, but it was already like that, so I don't know what to do.
Show me how you brush. Show me how you brush. Come on, brush it. Show me how you brush.
No, this way. No, this way.
This is Sophie. This is Sophie. Right, she's very good. She doesn't like all children over the top of her like that. She's a rescue dog from Spain. She's very lovely. She belongs to. That's a bit big. That's a bit big. Hang on. Yes. So let's go. That's better. That's you. Kerry, can you tie him up or let him in there?
Alina, we brushed him already. That's a bit. What are you doing? Oh, look. Oh, you didn't see me.
Yeah, okay. Then we've got next tallest and biggest. Should.
Hello.
Look.
Hold on.
I can't pick it.
Don't spoil it.
Tayyip, look at me.
Well done.
Tayyip.
Right.
Money.
That's it. No, that horse is resting.
Alishbi. Alishbi. Alishba. Say cheese. Alishba. Alishba. Look at me. Say cheese.
Will you be on January the 28th?
7.
7. I'll be a little bit older than that. just a tad older than that. Now they're going to go down the lane. It's all a little bit that. They're going down the lane. You can follow. No, it's all right. Hold on, wrong one. Doesn't matter which.
Fantastic.
Well,
Fine.
you'll be fine. Have a
Wave your hands. Show me.
Wave your hand. Wave your hands to Daddy.
Giddy up,
Tayyip. Yeah.
It is no fun.
Not fun.
Alina.
Look, Daddy. Giddy up, Pussy.
I know, I'm just thinking that. I'm just trying to get to the bit where it's not quite so, there's a bit more room for him. Can you stand up in your stirrups? That's it, and now he's weeing.
Dave, what are you waiting for? Huh?
Looks like you're doing that.
Huh, Dave?
And look the other one's doing as well.
I can hear it. It's all bubbly right now.
Examining your horsey wee-wee. There you go. Sit back down. Perfect. Come on, Marcus. Yep, look at that. When you stand up, you're not sort of go for a wee. You're sitting like on their planet.
They use that stick thing and they can have the water thing on. Yeah. To make them fun. That's what they're doing. Why does this horse keep on stopping? Maybe he needs to take a break. Maybe
Hey.
Especially if anything happens.
Giddy up, horsey. Licky, go cheese. So what's your horse called?
Chester.
Chester.
That one's Jack. Cheesy Jack. No, I forgot the name. Crackerjack. Crackerjack. Come on, Crackerjack. Go faster. Come on, Chester. Yeah, he's listening. Yes, go. That one. What's the name of it? Jack.
So they both came to the stable with the same name. So we had to have all.
I like hugging. Look it, follow you.
Are you sleeping, Dave?
Come on, sit up straight.
Sit up straight, please, Alina.
Bend your knees.
No, hold the
Alina, sit up straight.
You're not a cowboy. Cowboys ride like that.
So do we?
I already knew it before we had to run.
Steve's going to be very busy tomorrow morning, isn't he? He's got loads of poos to pick up. Cerebral palsy boy that comes up here. Sit up straight.
Alina, did you just poo?
Sit up straight.
Straight.
Bend your knees.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching this video. If you want to shout out in our next week's or like our next video, comment down below if you have a horse or not, or if you like horses. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Bye.